The number of coronavirus cases continues to soar, with records set in some parts of the country.
Yeah, the number of new cases in the U.S. is hitting an all-time high at around 40,000. Fox 2's Rocky Madden takes a look at the local perspective and national COVID-19 scene and what it could actually mean for you.
Of course I worry about it.
Mayor Lyda Crewson and St. Louis County Executive Sam Page both say they are closely watching the number of COVID-19 cases in Missouri. The 5 highest number of daily cases occurred in the last 8 days. Most new cases center around meat plants in southwest Missouri. The number of COVID hospitalizations in St. Louis is down dramatically, 212 Friday from a peak of more than 750. Crewson and Page are not slowing down reopenings at this time.
And when we pull back, what happens? People lose their jobs. People don't go to work. So, I'm very worried about it, which is why I continue to harp on, please social distance, wear a mask, wash your hands. Don't backslide on this.
In Washington, at the first pandemic task force briefing in 2 months, Vice President Mike Pence said all 50 states are opening up safely and responsibly.
The reality is we're in a much better place with the efforts President Trump mobilized at the federal level. We slowed the spread. We flattened the curve. We saved lives.
More than 30 states this week have seen an increase in cases. Houston is on track to become one of the hardest hit spots in the country. County health officials there have raised the warning system level to severe, the highest threat. In Miami, they are seeing 900 cases a day, up from 533 early in the pandemic. More than a half dozen states have paused reopening efforts.
So let's take a look at this problem that we're facing now. This resurgence of cases.
He says young people are the largest group that's testing positive, and although many of them are strong and can fight the infection, they will infect others, including the most vulnerable.
Now that may be somebody's grandmother, grandfather, uncle who's on chemotherapy, aunt who's on radiation or chemotherapy, or a child who has leukemia.
Dr. Fauci says we have a responsibility to ourselves and to society to get this disease under control. Rocky Madden, Fox 2 News.